Hi, Khushbu. Thank you so much for your time. I would have loved to meet Pramod as well, but maybe next time. So, I just have a few questions, and these questions are all with respect to students and prospective students and how they should approach their career or design. So, I first want to know from you, how did this idea of Onsto Media come? How did you and Pramod start this?
Okay, first of all, thank you so much, Samdeen, for coming here and think of this whole production of making a video where you want to understand what is Onsto all about. So we have started this studio, I say studio, by the name of Onsto around 1.5 year back. So we also running our own YouTube, and this space is basically for our channel where we shoot videos for Pramod. And then I realized that there is no such studio here in Whitefield. And as you know that for the companies, for the brands, the main platform these days is the social media, right? And for the social media, you need to have a good branding. You need to showcase your brand in a creative way. And for that, a good space, a good audio, a good production is very much required. So that's how this idea came up to why not to transform this simple studio place to a proper professional studio and hire and make a whole team and make this company a private limited company, promote it so that people will know about this place. They come and they shoot. And so far, we have now never thought that so many people these days are doing the podcast, but I am realizing that it was a good decision starting this studio, and now we have around 70 to 80 clients which we are handling right now with different kind of requirements, starting from healthcare background, IT, coaches, and podcasters. And so far, it's been a good experience with them.
That's wonderful. Like you said, podcast is an upcoming thing. I myself follow Beer Biceps, Ranveer Alubadia's podcast. And now that you've told me about Pramod's channel, I will definitely start following that as well. So, what is your hiring process for candidates? Like, what is it that you're looking for in these candidates when they want to join your team?
Okay, so I follow a two kind of thought process for my team. One is a proper professional and experienced people who know a nitty gritty of videos, productions, slides, and everything. And one part is the freshers. Mostly people are not ready to hire freshers, right? They feel ki, okay, we have to work with them, we have to train them. Why not to bring experienced people so it will be easy? But yes, it is important to have a proper trained team, but then I feel the freshers are also important so that you can mold them according to your requirements. So for both of the kind of team, we follow a different process. For a skill team, for experience, when I'm hiring, then I need a proper portfolio. And I know they have the knowledge, but I need a portfolio to understand what they do. And of course, I give them the time to understand our work system and how much patient, how much accepting they are for my feedback and how much they are dealing with the client, because it's not just me who are handling them. They has to come and they have to deal with the client. They have to understand their requirements, their feedback. So that is one part. And when it's come for the freshers, then the hiring process is different. Then we call them. I don't focus much on the portfolio because they are just started, right? So I mostly train them according to my requirements, what I want. So yes, skills are important, but then I basically see how much patient they are, how much receiver they are for the feedback, how much they are mingle with the team, and they are punctual, they are sincere. So that is most important. So I give them time of around a week and 10 days to understand our process, and then slowly I put the how our company is working. So it's different.
Okay. So Sheikh Saad has recently joined your team
Yes,
from our
yes.
institute. And I know it's too early to probably make a judgment, but how is he doing and what do you think about his performance so far?
So yes, he joined recently. Like it's been not even a week when he joined, and as I said, I didn't I haven't seen any portfolio like last what he worked, but then yes, he is good. He have the knowledge of the topics. He know how to work in when we are giving the instruction how to follow them properly. And good thing about him is he's very sincere. He's following the instructions. And I told him earlier on the first day of he joined that it's not like you are sitting and just thinking what to do. If you have any kind of confusion, anything you want to know, you just come up. We have the team, I am there, you can ask them. And yes, he's following it very nicely. He's sitting, he's doing, and he know how to do the AI. So it's not like he is that old school ki theek hai, just sitting and doing. He know how to do AI. He know how to use them for the betterment of the videos. So far it's been a good experience, and what I have noticed from my experience, he will work good.
So basically, it's a collaborative effort in your office.
Yes, it's a very cool.
Like you mentioned AI, I think a lot of people have this misconception that AI is artificial intelligence, it's replacing editors. But I think it's more of an assistive intelligence. And we as an institute, we have adapted to that change, and we are teaching students how to use AI tools in the right way to help them make their work faster.
Yes, so yes, AI sadly it's kind of replacing, but not actually replacing. If you are smart, if you know how to make your work easier, how to save your time through AI, then nothing can beat it, the AI part. And my team know it very well. It's saving my time. It's giving more value to the time they are spending on the videos. So yes, it's good. And I think in future also, in coming up time, there will be more tools from AI, and if the person knows how to use it efficiently, then I don't think it will replace the.
Like you
Yes.
said, I think when a company has a choice between someone who knows AI and someone who doesn't, I think they might prefer a candidate who knows how to use the AI.
Of course, we need someone who have, because the clients also ask. Their requirements also change. They don't want a proper static, simple photo these days to put in their videos. They also want AI pictures, because of course people like them. So whatever people like them, we have to follow. And AI is something which everyone want, right? So yes, AI is important. And when we are hiring someone, and also the existing team, if they don't know, so I'm just pushing them ki just understand AI, get accompanied with them, and work collaboratively with the AI thing. Don't just run away.
True. I think, like you said, we should embrace the upcoming trends and
Yes.
keep ourselves up to date with
Change
it.
is constant. We have to, rather than running away, just accept it. So yes, Samreen. So when I have seen Saad resume, he is coming from Arena, right? And so can you tell me something more about your institute, Arena, and especially Indranagar branch, because I have heard a good feedback from people, and lots of candidates from your branch are coming here. Just because of the distance, we're not able to hire them, but yes, you have a good students team there. And just tell me more about your institute, Samreen.
Thank you. Your words of appreciation mean a lot. So basically, Arena as a brand has been in the market for around 30 plus years now. And our institute, Indranagar, we have been managing it for the past 7 years. Before us, in the same place, there was another management that was doing it.
But for Arena also, only.
For Indranagar itself, yes. So we, as such, our parent company is called ILM Educational Trust. We took over in 2017 or 2019, and since then we've so far had a steady growth, and we hope that it continues to be
So
that way.
you are the founder, like you are
So
the owner.
I am the founder's daughter. So my father is the
Okay.
chairman
Oh,
of
that's
the
nice.
institute, and I head the operations there. My brother is also part of the business. He takes care of the business aspect, finance and business.
So what you take care of?
I head the operations, academics, and placements.
So you must have done any course there, or
No,
only
it
the
was all
officials?
on the job training.
Okay.
I've learned through my mistakes and my experiences.
Okay, so what all courses you have, somebody? Anything special? And what course is in much demand these days?
So we have courses ranging from graphic designing, motion graphic designing, animation, which has 2D animation or 3D animation, VFX, gaming, and newly introduced AI course. And as per what is really up like in the market right now, we have motion graphic design, which kind of covers graphics and video editing. That is a course, it's a pretty short course, also affordable, and easy placements.
So what is the shortest course
The shortest
certification?
would be a small single software courses like doing just audio video editing, which is just 1 month, or Photoshop, which is just a month, things like that.
So you have all the latest, all the
Yes.
systems are there and
Yes, we
everything
have
there.
high-end systems, and we have 3-4 labs with 8 systems each.
Oh, that's nice. And how many students you can accommodate in a single batch?
So we keep batch strength small so that we can give individual attention to the students. But overall, we can accommodate 150 to 200 students in our institute. Our current strength would be around 68 students.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. And faculty, what about the
So we
faculty?
have 4 faculties, and they each expertise. They have expertise in like different aspects. One of them is specifically for UI UX. One specifically for gaming. Gaming is another course which is, I think, very upcoming. I think the software that they use for gaming, Unreal Engine, it's called, has started to be used in animation or even architectural walkthroughs. So that's a course that many people come and want to learn from us.
Okay. So I think some of the other way, both studios and like your institute are focusing on the same
Yes.
audience, target audience are
Yes.
same. The production, the media production, right? So I
Absolutely.
think in some or the other way you are giving the workflows to us. So what do you think? What is the future of this media production? It has a good future or it will go away, fade away?
So, like you said, I think this has to be a collaborative effort, not just between both of us, between every studio and every institute. When there's such a collaboration, it makes it easier for the institute also and also for the studio. It helps the institute because then I have a client where I know that I can share my candidates with them. They can test them out and see if they can onboard them. How it helps you is you get workforce easily.
It is a very
Versus
important part. Yes.
Searching manually, which is a little hard in today's world.
So, what is the starting salary of a editor? Like, we have started this new thing. Ki, okay, first we bring the intern, we will train them, and slowly we will onboard them. So, when you do the courses, what is the salary, starting salary for
So
them?
it depends from studio to studio. Every studio has their way of working. But on an average, I would say starting salary would be somewhere around 15 for an intern. And then they have an internship period of a year or two. And there, post that, they get their hikes.
And one challenge which I face these days when I'm looking for a new team member, they mostly look for work from home. They say ki I want hybrid. I'm from UP. I'm from Delhi. I'm from here, Mumbai. And can you give me work? And I will work from home. But this is a strict, instruction from our management that I want the team to be here present so that we will work together. What is the difference working here with the team, collaboratively and learning, or just sitting in your comfort zone at your home and working?
So I know that I'm a Gen Z myself, but a lot of Gen Zs prefer working from home because they feel comfortable in their space. But I think it's important to come to office because, like you said, you're also not from this media background. You learned on the job. Same goes with me. I really did not know anything about the AVGC sector or the AVGC industry. Everything that I've learned on the job, be it from my head office superiors or from my dad. Just observation of how they work and what this industry holds. Now, all of this will be missing if they are doing work from home. They don't have an option of taking help from someone. They're all on their own. So I think coming to office and working, especially in the start of your career, is very important.
Because learning comes when you meet people.
Absolutely.
Sitting at home, you once you enter that comfort zone, you will not able to come out of it. It will be tough. And
Absolutely.
at the time of COVID, okay, it's time of need of time that time. But now I think you should come. So that is a very strict thing from my team, that we need a person who has to come here and work. That is very
Absolutely.
important.
Like you said, when you meet new people, you learn something.
I learned so
Today,
much from
I
my
met
team.
you, and I've learned a lot from you as well. So it's about how you perceive the other person and what you pick from them.
Yes, so I learned so much from my editing team. Like I didn't have any idea about Premiere Pro, what is transaction, what is audio, what is sound effect, what is this. Now I help them. So yes, it is a learning, and it's a continuous learning from them, from my sales team, from my marketing, from everyone. So I feel that work from home is, in any kind of job, it should not be taken.
True. Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah.
And I really hope you and Pramod can make it to our institute sometime.
Sure. We'll definitely come and visit whenever we hire. We are planned to hire more candidates, and definitely will visit your institute. And if any kind of shoot, anything you want, you know where to come.
Yes, for sure. I loved your studio setup, and I
Thank you
will
so much,
definitely
Samri.
recommend this to everybody.
And we will also recommend Arena. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank
It was
you.
a lovely conversation. with
Same
you.
here. Same here. Thank you.